Hi there, and welcome to this latest update video for ENCY 1.0.5. Most of our direct efforts have been working towards complementing the additive strategies that we have available to be able to give, the best range of possible operations to any of our robotics users. And in this particular instance, what I'd like to point out is the new corner control tools that we have. So if we go to parameters, and we turn on minimum layer time, under the speeds tab, you now have got direct control over how one handles and manipulates corners in any of the 5D cladding or the non-planar slicing operations. This is because, as anyone who's worked with additive or deposition style machining knows, you'll often get what the 3D printing crowd like to call elephant's foot or squish coming out in the corners, where due to not having that differential feed rate, you get some excess material. So this will give you the option and the control necessary to be able to eliminate that, thus A, saving on material, and B, giving you a better quality of output product at the end of it. Further to that, we also now have a couple of extra features built into the additive manufacturing. We can enable manual sorting for defining machining sequence. You can do so by structuring the order in which you set your surfaces in your job assignment tab. Moving over to the more conventional milling end of things, we have also improved the chamfer management as well. So you can now manually assign the order in which you set your chamfers to be applied. Now, to do so, you need to turn off idling minimization. And once you've done that, you can then go back into job assignment and you can manually set the order of each and every one of these contours as you see fit, and it will follow and abide by that order. We've also been putting quite a lot of work into improving the tooltips that are available, with a special focus on chamfering and also on approaches in the retreats parameter group as well. Beyond this, we have got an absolute slew of minor and major bug fixes, which have been reported by our users or that we've tracked down ourselves. We are, of course, undergoing constant improvement in these matters. The full list of the fixed bugs is available within our change release notes, and I hope to catch you in the next video.